Let us pray. Who invented the wheel? Or better yet, let's ask the question, who invented the Polaroid? That's easy. There's a name on a patent in a file in an office somewhere. The wheel was invented, over 1,000 years ago? Maybe more? But then again, was it invented or discovered? Did somebody discover how to do it? Is that more the case? The Polaroid. The Polaroid could be more than 1,000 years old. All it is a process with a mechanism of creating a reality. So all these things work this way. With luck or skill or knowledge or combination of all three or other things. Could have been just the right time of the year. Things compounded and compounded and compounded on the human mind. And we learned and figured things out, put them together in new ways, added other things to them, and it just piled on until we've reached today's contemporary age, which we think is so high technology. The problem with all our tech today is that it's simply material. Even if you consider all the computers that do all these invisible computations in the cloud or on the web or net or whatever you want to call it in memory stance, simply all materialism. And though there is burgeoning thought to the immaterial, the dreamlike, the uncanny, unknowns, we're still trying to answer all the questions of the universe or multiverse, as some people think it is. We're still just trying to explain it all away with all our calculations and mathematics and words and descriptors that we have fictitiously created thus far. That's all we have. It's important to note, or better yet to know, that for the entire universe, from the large scale to the small scale, micro, macro, everything in between and all around, infinity, has not yet been discovered or illuminated by any of the highest minds in history at all up till now. Most brilliant minds, the most amazing scientists, theorists, physicists, philosophers, mathematicians, technologists, whatever you want to call them, they still cannot decipher this realm, which leads to the fact that it is an intelligent design. There was a designer who created all of this. Nothing happens without something. In fact, there is nothing. There's only something. And with that, we have basic logic. Logic is what drives the computer. Logic is what drives our laws, physics and otherwise, and mathematics, and words. No thing will work without logic. Logic is the language of the universe, which God has given us. Logic is the reason. Logic is why things occur, why things happen, why things react the way they do, why the entire universe has been built so perfectly by an intelligent designer, our creator, God. And so it be that logically, these are my favorite theorists yet of Theoria Omnium, theory of all. Always log your logistics logically, for logic's sake. Enough of the trippy hypnotic music with used text to speech.